morning. Go ahead and finish up your bell work. Today we are looking at the question of what were the challenges that were facing the Allies as they were fighting the war in the Pacific, and what possible solutions did they have to overcome those? Does anyone have anything they'd like to share? Kai.
Hello. The Pacific was fought in the ocean.
Ella, would you like to add to that? Yes, Ella?
And then in the ocean.
Great observations. Now, in today's lesson, we're going to be looking to answer those very questions. But first, let's keep a few things in mind. Remember that World War II was a world war. That means that there was battles going on simultaneously in Europe, Africa, and the Pacific theater. Now, we know that there is tensions between the United States and Japan, and some of those tensions were through the economic sanctions that were placed on Japan by the United States, and eventually, on December 7th, 1941, Japan bombed Pearl Harbor, and the United States entered the war. Okay? Now, today's lesson, we're going to be looking at the major battles and trying to answer the essential question of what was the U.S. strategy in the Pacific theater. Yes, Ella?
And I'm in the pictures of...
Good job. Good. Fantastic. Thanks for participating. Okay. Now, today we're going to do an activity called Kamikaze Toss. All right? Now, each of you please pull the top sheet in the stack of paper in front of you and flip it over. Just the top sheet. You'll notice in the upper right-hand corner a number. That number will correlate with the battle that you are going to be responsible for researching. You'll notice up on the PowerPoint that each number has a battle next to it. The other two sheets have information about that battle that you'll need to complete your worksheet, as well as primary sources to try and get a first-hand account of what happened. Once we complete those sources, we're going to go ahead and crumple up those sheets, okay? At which point, each of you are going to bomb this activity. You're going to kamikaze toss your answers into the USS Williams, okay? From there, we'll redistribute the papers and review the information. Now, this part is critical. Do not write your name on the paper, okay? This is going to be an anonymous source that kamikazes the USS Williams. Does anyone have any questions before we begin? Yes, Ella?
And I'm in the pictures ocean.
Oh, great. Great observation. I'm sure we'll get to that in a few minutes. Okay, get to it.